hot environments, staying cool and comfortable is essential for optimal performance during outdoor activities. Meet the 19-degree N Honu Cooling Backpack, the world's first outdoor pack with built-in active cooling technology. Designed in Hawaii, it incorporates thermocore, a system that circulates cool water through advanced polymer tubing across the back, shoulders, and chest straps. This provides up to 4 hours of cooling relief. Engineered for maximum heat transfer, the pack ensures comfort and prevents bouncing. The lightweight, breathable design includes a hydration pack compartment and plenty of space for essentials. Whether hiking, biking, or exploring, the Honu Cooling Backpack helps you stay cooler by up to 20 degrees Fahrenheit, pushing your limits further. When traveling, a secure, durable, and organized backpack is essential. The Jerry Bag Shield. Hardshell backpack is designed for ultimate protection and comfort. Crafted with ultra-high-strength ABS polycarbonate, this sleek, unbreakable backpack features an expandable 35-liter capacity and 13 separate compartments for easy organization. It offers a lightweight design at just 2.6 pounds, with expandable side pockets and a top pocket for quick access. Water-resistant and secure, the hard-shell exterior ensures your belongings stay safe in any condition. Air mesh waist protection and a chest belt add comfort during long trips. Perfect for both daily and long-distance travel, the Jerry Bag Shield is the ultimate solution for modern adventurers. A reliable, high-quality pocket knife is essential for everyday tasks and outdoor adventures. The Koi Pelican pocket knife is designed for both practicality and style, featuring a sheep's foot blade shape crafted from durable Sandvik steel. This knife boasts a caged ceramic bowl-bearing washer for smooth operation, and its ergonomic handle is made from ebony wood with accents of marbled white resin. The thumb tab allows for easy deployment, while the interchangeable clip provides versatility. With a liner lock for security, this larger knife is perfect for a variety of tasks, from camping to snack preparation. Its sleek design makes it both functional and a standout piece for your collection. Carrying bulky utensils during outdoor adventures can weigh you down and take up space. Introducing the OutXE Lightweight Camping Utensil, an ultra-lightweight titanium fork and spoon combo weighing just 19 grams. Designed for backpacking, hiking, and camping, this eco-friendly spork eliminates the need for separate utensils while being durable and easy to clean. Its deep bowl provides ample capacity for meals, and its smooth edge ensures safety while eating. Dishwasher safe and 50% lighter than stainless steel, it's the perfect, compact tool for any outdoor excursion, offering both convenience and functionality without compromising on durability. Relaxing outdoors requires a hammock that provides ultimate comfort and durability in any weather condition. The yellow leaf handwoven hammock offers a double-sized design, perfect for 1 or 2 people, with a 400-pound weight capacity. Made from weather-safe materials, it is ultra-soft, lightweight, and super strong for maximum comfort and support. Hand-woven by skilled artisans, the hammock features ultra-soft loops that ensure deep relaxation while being durable enough to withstand rain or shine. Its no-wobble, anti-flip design guarantees stability. Not only is it a luxury for the user, but it also helps empower craftswomen in Thailand to lift their families out of poverty. For those looking to enhance their grilling experience, a smoker box can elevate your meals with rich, smoky flavors. The Outset Smoker Gas Grill features a durable cast iron construction that can withstand high heat, making it perfect for adding a smoky touch to your dishes. Equipped with convenient holes in the lid, it allows wood chips to release their flavorful smoke without the need for an open flame. Designed for use with both charcoal and gas grills, this smoker box works with various wood chips, including mesquite, hickory, and oak, creating a flavor-rich smoke that improves over time. Easy to use and built to last, it's ideal for any grilling enthusiast.